Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I will be doing an unboxing. As you can see, I have the package here. I purchased this item all the way from Great Britain and it arrived like this with this box, and then at the bottom this is the customs declaration, and let me show you what I purchased. So here it is. I can already see the dust bag. Yeah, this is just like the stuffing to protect, but I don't know. I don't even know because this is my first time to order it from them. I don't know if this one came with they have an exclusive box for the items. I don't know, but it actually just shipped like this. And it seems like the box that came with it, it's very, very flimsy. But anyway, let me show you what I got. So here's the dust bag. So as you can see, this is the Cambridge Satchel company. I love their dust bag. It's actually, yeah, this is made up of canvas, and it has a drawstring right there, and the drawstring is actually, I think this one is in purple. So it came like this, really nice. Oh my gosh. I mean, I haven't really opened it yet, and I could already smell the leather. Oh wow, my goodness, wow, it smells really good. I mean, the pleasant smell for the real leather smells really, really nice. Oh wow, I could smell the real leather. Okay, so are you guys ready? I am going to reveal my newest purchase. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Wow. So this is my latest purchase, and this is from the company called the Cambridge Satchel Company, and they are actually based on Great Britain. Wow. It's so beautiful. Wow, it's amazing. Oh my goodness, you guys see that? The metallic color. So as you can see, this one actually comes with a variation of color. So this is obviously blue, metallic blue, and this one is in silver. Wow. Very lovely. It's so beautiful. Okay, so let me just tell you a little bit on what the feature of this bag. So this one has this two magnetic closure in here. Wow, the magnetic closure is very strong. Oh, I love that. It also comes with this handle in here, so you could just lift this one, and where's at the top handle. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous. Wow. And also, I mean, I could already feel this bag is very, very light. It's like barely any weight in it. Very light though. I mean, just looking at the structure itself, looks a little bit of like heavy, but it is light. Okay, going back. So this is the front closure over here. It is magnetic. So let's open the bag. It's so, the magnetic for closure for this one is very, very strong. Okay. Also, this is the tag. It says here, handmade in Great Britain. Very lovely. And also right here in front, this is actually there's a pocket right here in front. The color is in silver, metallic silver. Wow, beautiful. Oh my gosh, I could smell the leather, the lovely smell of the leather all over the place. I can't believe it, and I love that. Oh my gosh. Okay, here's the strap. Let me just take the strap out so I could show you. So this one, it actually has a large compartment here. This is the first pocket right here on the first row, and then we have here in the second row, that's a large compartment, and there's no other pockets inside, nothing else, just plain. Okay, so this one is actually not lined with anything, but I don't know. This is just, yeah. So it was actually lined with the leather itself. Very nice. Wow. Okay, so that's the inside. So let me just take a look at on this side in here. Okay, here it is. This is a mini satchel, a royal metallic foil Celtic. Okay, so that is the name of this is the color. So you know, guys, you know, sometimes when we purchase something online, I know this is actually metallic blue and silver. They always have this specific color for themselves, so they called it. Okay, so that's the inside. It is really lovely inside. I love it. Okay, so let me just close this one. The magnetic closure is so strong. So this one has a silver hardware. It's beautiful. While the rivets over here. And also with this one, as you can see, there's actually a strap right here where you can adjust the closure. So how many? There's actually 3 settings. So probably like if you want to use this one and there you put something inside and it would, yeah, you could just probably adjust. Yeah, you could actually adjust this one. So if you would adjust that, probably yes. So if you wanted to adjust this, you will be able to see the entire pocket over here, which is in silver. I'm probably gonna have to do that just to see how it would look, just to expose the silver pocket right there. But for now, I am going to close this one. Moving on, this one has a silver hardware. Oh my gosh, my camera is actually picking up the metallic color. So I was actually using a ring light and it's just showing a lot of reflections from the metallic. So this one is a silver hardware. Over here in front has a silver hardware. The rivets at the back also here has a silver hardware, and also that's the logo from the company Cambridge Satchel, and this is actually their logo. It's like a bicycle. Yeah. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful and smells so good too. So this is actually made up of 100% genuine leather. Wow. Okay. Going back right here in front, you guys probably have noticed that I did actually personalize this purse. So I put a horse, a galloping horse, right there, while my camera is not picking up the horse. So this one right here at the top, that is the symbol of a horse. And also I have here the numbers. So those numbers actually signify something, and those are my favorite numbers. So yeah, I don't know if the right angle so you guys could see it, but apparently I was thinking of probably doing embossing the color in silver or gold, but I just really wanted to add a color, so I did chose the rainbow color for all of these, and they look great. It looks stunning. It looks like this purse has been personalized, and I love that. And also right here, yeah, right there, it's their logo of the brand. It's in silver. Wow, the hardware for this one is really nice. Very, very nice. It's not a cheapy kind of, it's not a cheap kind of hardware, guys. Very, very nice. Okay, going back to the purse again. Let me open this once again. As you can see right here at the corner, there is no glazing at all. There's no glazing. And this particular bag actually made up of a really thick leather that they put it together. And I love the fact that there is no glazing in here. I don't need to worry about cracking, peeling, or things like that. And it seems like the purse were very well constructed. Very well constructed. I haven't even used this one. I'm already loving it. I love the size, and I love the construction of this purse. And also, Let me just close this one. Now I'm going to talk about the strap. So it came with this strap. And oh yeah, so the strap is actually, this is a combination of a silver and blue. It's beautiful. Wow, it's very soft. It smells great. It's amazing. It's amazing. So let me just show you the silver hardware. Look at the hooks right there. It's actually made up of a really nice, beautiful, beautiful silver. Wow. And it's heavy, and it's definitely, this one is made up of a really high quality material. And also the buckle right there, that's the name of the brand. It's engraved. And also this one, you could adjust this one. Of course, the strap is removable as well. So there's like few settings in here where you could actually make it longer or shorter depending on your height. So wow, it's really soft and flexible. I think this would probably, when you put it in your purse, probably might be comfortable on your shoulder. I would definitely think it's going to be comfortable because this is really soft and flexible. Really nice. I just love this metallic color. It is so attractive. It is so stunning. It is like, wow. I love it. So let me just put this one on the purse so you'll be able to see the entire thing. So I'm just going to put this one in here. So this is how it would look with the wow, beautiful. It's stunningly beautiful. Wow. So this is going to be the purse that would definitely going to stand out in my collection, and you could just, you could easily see it. You could easily spot it in the corner. It's because of the metallic color. I don't know with this metallic though how this would stand out through the test of time, because in the past I have several metallic purses, after a few months of using it, then they started to come off. But this seems to look like a very well structured bag. I mean, the metallic seems to set nicely, perfectly, and I didn't see any it looks like it's very, very smooth. And it looks great. I love it. It's very light. It's such a light bag, and I love that. I love that. It's funny because I have actually watched several videos on the Cambridge Satchel. So I went to the website. As soon as I saw this one, I said like, oh wow. And also this one actually comes with different colors. They have the one in pink. I originally wanted to get the pink, and that one was actually sold out fast, so quick. So I asked them to have me notified as soon as it became available, and it was never, I was not able to get hands in it. I was not able to get a hands of the pink. It's because a lot of people, the representative were telling me that a lot of people were actually in the waiting list for that. I don't know when they're going to restock it. And it said, if you wanted a metallic one, you might as well just get the blue, because we don't know when they're going to restock the pink color. The pink is absolutely stunning. It is absolutely gorgeous. But it's funny because I wanted the blue and also I wanted the pink. Definitely I wanted to get these two colors. And also, you have an option to actually get your item personalized or just this one itself. But I just really wanted to get my first purchase from them special. So I have it embossed. And each of these are font, and also the symbol actually costs, I think it's $10. So I have 5 in here. So I paid $50 extra for this. But it was amazingly done. It is so beautiful, and the shipping is lightning fast. It is so fast that after I got done checking out, they sent me a message to confirm the color of the embossing, and then after 3 days, it's already here. It was actually delivered on my doorstep. And absolutely stunning, absolutely unique, absolutely gorgeous. And the hardware is so beautiful, beautifully done. The color, the metallic. I mean, as I could look at the side of it, the colors were even. The colors for the blue and the silver is such a great combination. And I was thinking in my head, I think this would look great in the gold hardware, but I was thinking like, wow, we have the silver and the blue right here. And I think the combination of the hardware and the color itself is absolutely beautiful. Wow. Beautiful. Yeah, right here, also right here in the corner, there's no glazing at all. It was just sealed. Oh, the stitching for this one is like a large stitching though, and it looks, yeah, I didn't even know. I started to think of like, I didn't even know how to describe the stitching for this. It was very well done, the stitching. I mean, looking at it, the stitching is actually, the thread that they use is gigantic. It's huge, and it's uniform right here at the back. Look at how uniform that is right here at the corner. The color is so beautiful. It's stunning. I don't know if looking at it here on the camera actually gives justice on the colors, but right here in person, it is such a beautiful, beautiful color. Wow. With the lighting that I have on with me, it definitely shines even more. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I love it. I am surprised. I was a little bit nervous, really, to be honest, because there's no way I can return this because I have it personalized. There's no way I can return or exchange because I have it personalized, but it came out beautifully. The quality, the craftsmanship for this bag, I love the structure. I love the hardware that came with it. It looks great. It has a really nice weight to it. And look at the, right here, right at the strap, you could actually swivel right at the corner, and also you can wear this one as a top handle and also the crossbody bag. And this is such a beautiful color, guys. So this one is actually blue in here, silver, and also right here on the side and on the corners. Well, this is, they put like a mixture of blue and silver together. Like, yeah, it is lovely. It is beautiful. I would highly recommend this beautiful satchel from Cambridge. I love it. I mean, right now, I just love smelling. I don't need to get my nose close to it to sniff it. I could smell the real leather, and it smells really good. It's so beautiful. So if you want to think of getting this beautiful bag, I would highly recommend it, and it is gorgeous. It is such a beautiful, gorgeous bag. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.